The total market size of bakery products expected by 2022 is $529 billion. The consumer expectations on quality and eating experience constantly increase. At the same time, the sale price is forced down. Let's have a look at the recipe. A Swiss roll contains 30% of egg. This stands for 50% of the total ingredient cost. Egg is the ingredient in baking which varies the most in price. This makes the recipe cost very unpredictable. Egg price increased 13.8% in Europe last year. Cut your ingredient cost by up to 10% by balancing your recipe and partly replacing eggs with the aromatic emulsifier Aerogel and water. Aerogel is a concentrated alpha gel emulsifier. It has the apparent and immediate effect on baked goods. That explains its long-lasting popularity among bakers all over the world. It adds volume by promoting aeration in the batter. The result is a fine crumb structure. It stabilizes the batter during the baking process and the finished product during cooling. The efficient interaction between aerogel and starch delays staling. The baked product feels fresh for a longer time. Aerogel can be used in pound cake, muffins, Swiss roll, sponge cake, madeleines, panettone, brioche, and cookies. Dosage is only 1% or less of total batter weight. Only a very small adjustment of the recipe is needed to reduce the recipe's price sensitivity. Aerogel reduces recipe costs and increases productivity. It is a tool to control the production process, expenditures, and quality. Challenge us to see how much we can reduce your recipe cost.